for me. And maybe there might have been one or two words in there that we haven't studied as fourth graders, but that's okay. That's just accelerating your knowledge. It's not part of our Common Core curriculum, but it's good to be exposed to it. Let me ask you, where in the video did they say that we could use angles in real life? Where can you see angles in real life? Not just in your math activity sheets or Miss Still's class or Miss Loomis's class. Where can you see angles in real life?
On a house.
Okay, on a house. It talked about the corners that formed on your house definitely form angles. Where else?
The TV.
The TV, okay, maybe again, the corners of a TV. Where is something that's in every single room? Shayla? The clock. Looking at our two hands on our clock, what type of angle do you see? One's pointing at the 11 and one's pointing at the 1. What type? An acute angle. Leading into the acute angles, there are 3 types of angles. You can tell me the first type of angle you want to talk about. Okay, a right angle. Brandon, what do you know about a right angle?
Right angle is at 90 degrees.
Exactly 90 degrees. Give me a thumbs up if you agree. We're doing good. Right angles, remember, measure exactly 90 degrees. They make that L. What symbol is usually inside of a right angle that kind of keys us off to go, ooh, I know exactly what that one is, Mark? The little square. This one doesn't have it, but most of the time they'll have a little square that tells you right angle. Totally agree. Right angle. What's another type of angle, Michaela? Obtuse. What do we know about obtuse angles? Measure more than 90 degrees. Give me a thumbs up if you agree. Oh, yeah. Obtuse angles, they are big angles. They measure more than 90 degrees, but they can't measure more than what? Mark?
180.
180. Very good. All right. We have right and obtuse. We need another type.
Straight angle.
Straight angle. What do we know about a straight angle?
It's 180 degrees.
Exactly 180 degrees. It forms that straight line. Can it only go side to side?
No.
Can it go diagonal?
Yes.
Can it go up and down?
Yes.
Yes. Good deal. One more type of angle we've talked about. We're missing the little guy. Hello? Acute angle. What do we know about him?
It's less than 90 degrees.
Very good. It's less than 90 degrees. Here's an example, just like the clock example that you just showed. Any questions on the types of angles? No? Why would it be important for us to know the types of angles before we go to measuring angles? Why would it be important? Think about what you know about a protractor.
Because if you see an angle, you might know what kind of angle it is.
Okay, maybe if you see an angle, he's saying you look at it, but you don't know maybe what measurement to use, right? Because does the protractor have 2 sets of measurements?
Yes.
Yeah, remember our protractor has a top row of numbers and a bottom row of numbers. Knowing the type of angle, would that help you determine which number to use?
Yes.
Yes, it would definitely help. Now, Tim and Moby showed us a type of angle, a type of protractor that didn't exactly look like this one. Did anybody catch? It's a circle. How did this thing turn into a circle? Think about what you know about the protractor. How did this form the circle? Mark? Okay, you're saying they added another one. So, if I take this one and add another one to it, how many degrees do I have now? Do you need to go this more? You can go this more. Don't shut the door all the way because it'll knock you out. How many degrees, Michaela? 360. How many degrees in just one of my half protractors? 180, and we know that if we add those two together, we form the full circle. You can use the full circle. Here at Miss Creek in the 4th grade, we just use the half circles, okay, for us to measure our protractor. Do y'all want to practice now using some protractors? Yes. Okay. I have another activity. It's actually on the computer. I am going to ask you if you want to slide to the floor. You might can see a little bit better if you're a little bit closer, so if you want to go